okay?
Where now?
So we're going to Kosichang, okay?
Okay, we're ready na, Gabriel.
In the Kosichang, Kosichang, and then we can swim over there. Visit the
Wait.
here, okay?
Yeah, oh wow. Very good, oh. Nice view. Wow, very nice. Under construction pa, oh. Wow, let's go down, Nak. Oh, ganda ng view. Gabriel, oh. Wow, Nak. Let's go. Oh, pwede kang mag-explore lang dito sa motorcycle lang. Motorcycle kami nag-explore. Yan, oh. Yay. The beach now, Gabriel. So mayroong banana boat.
Kosichang Beach.
Oh, yeah. Mayroon siyang kayak, snorkel, rubber pink,
Snorkeling,
mat,
bubbles.
flat jacket, waterproof.
Banana boat, softboard, kayak, snorkel,
Oh,
rubber
Ayun, oh.
pink, mat,
yeah,
life
oh.
jacket, waterproof.
Wow, oh, what a...
Adi na, okay.
Okay, ito na. Nakaabot na kami. Ito yung view namin ni Gabriel, oh. Wow, oh. Ito yung relaxing view, no?
Wow, ang daming waters ni Kosichang Beach, okay?
Daming water. Siyempre, beach snack eh. Bugoy. Ito yung view ni Gabriel, oh.
Visit Kosichang Beach.
Oh. Walang tao, oh. Oh. Wow. Beach ni Gabriel. Oh, mayroong pang ano doon, barko na ko. Hirap akyatin ng mga barko na yan. Tinitingnan ko ganyan kasi baka dyan yung mga barko na nakit ko minsan sa area na yan, sa labas. Oh. Wak. Nak, what's that?
It's a durian stick.
Huh?
Because we're gonna be happy.
What's that? What would you eat? What's that?
I would eat in the car or here.
Oh, you can eat here. What's that? What's
So
that?
that is
What's
the
that?
La Durian stick.
Ah, Lodrian stick.
Why it's
Oh, what's that? Tunya. What's the slipper there? Cab. Samahan ko muna si Gabriel maligo. Oh, ligo muna kami. Oh, yan oh. Oh, ganda. Oh, ang ganda ng tubig dito. Kaya napasama ko ni Gabriel maligo dito. Ang ganda ng tubig. Saka yung buhangin malambot. Pino. Yan oh. Pino. Ganito. Pino. Pinong-pino ang buhangin. Oh. Pero namin nakasabay kaming mga pero parang mga Australian at ato mga turista dito kasi may nakalutang na ibang mga plastic eh, pero hindi naman gaano karamihan. Mga plastic na dito kinukuha nila habang naliligo, nilalagay sa buti. Tulad nito. Ayan o. Matagal na ito nakalutang kasi may lumot na eh. Oy, si Gabriel. Ayan na si Gabriel. Ayan na si Gabriel nandun. Lumalangoy si Gabriel. Ayun. Oh. Dito tayo sa Marina Bay. Marina Bay area. Oh, linaw yun, linaw. Linaw ng tubig. Ano may mga barko na nakaangkorahe sila. Bulk carrier. May isang container. So karamihan bulk carrier, 3 bulk carrier. Ayan, isang container, 4. What? Ha?
Swimming.
You want to get?
Yes, please.
Oh.
Body na lang.
You get in the
I can.
Okay. Good. How are you? You like swimming here?
Yes, because I like fun.
And then it's really clean, right?
Keep clean.
Yep.
Keep plenty.
Clean.
Plenty.
Yeah, plenty.
Meaning is a lot.
Oh, Gabriel. Kaligo kami. Oh, ano na? What? Ha? Okay. Hey, hey, that's not Nakaligo na kami ni Gabriel. What's that? Di ba puti? Ha? Hold sa pen. Oy, mayroon mga kainan dito, Kap. Hold pa pen eh. May mga kainan dito pala. Hanggang dito pala ang kuhan, Kap. Wow, the view! Ang view na ko. Oh, view ni Gabriel. Doon na tayo naligo na ko. Doon na tayo naligo na. Oh, doon na tayo naligo. Nakamotor kami ni Gabriel. Look na tayo camera. May service sila dito. Go! Shout! Hey!
Yay!
Hey! I'm happy! Happy na?
Yes, I want to take a
Oh, you sick? Yeah, I'm happy!
Yay! I'm happy also.
Hey! Alright, so balik na kami. Palabas na kami ng isla. Alright, bye-bye! Daming mga construction na ginawa dito. Alright! Hey, bye-bye! Alright! Go! Okay. Okay, yan ang adventure namin ni Gabriel dito sa... Where is it, Nak?
Kosichang.
Kosichang Island.
I am very happy to see inside, okay? In the jungle, okay?
Jungle, it's jungle, Nak. This is an island. Island with a lot of people, tourists with motorcycle. Okay, bye-bye. 2016 June 2016 June 28 ata ngayon, 28. Alright, dito sa Kosichang Island, Thailand. Bye-bye. What do you say? Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Gap Hinay TV. See you on my next adventure. God bless everyone.
Bye-bye.